The system is starting. Now firstly we are going to see the number of points tester has. So here we can see tester has 64 points. These are some device IDs on there. This is the base screen. Now we can go for testing. Firstly we need to understand what are the points we have learned at this location. So we have 4 points learned at location 2, right, and the points are shown over display, right. Another point was a number of to be shown in video was number of points learned at location change point, right. So we can see the location change menu and we can see number of points learned at that location, that particular location. The point number 4 is covered, right. Then we can have we can see the pass count, fill count in cable settings. So here is the mode setting, time, वगैरह. Here is the pass count particular to that location. We can see 13 harness as passed, so pass count is 13. Fail count at location 2 is 5, right. If we want, we can very well press up key or down key to reset the menu or reset the count. Okay. So here again we are coming to the main screen. Before that, the point number 7 you just mentioned is save program options. So here we can see a teaching option in cable setting itself. So we need to select that. We need to press enter. Then here is learn harness. Learn harness is a point where you can put your master sample to the connect master sample to your tester and press enter. So once we process it, the 4 points are learned. We have already learned that point, so we have just repeated that procedure, right. So point number 7 is also covered. Now we will go for open point and short points. So firstly I will like to pass the harness to show you how harness is being passed. So once harness is passed, a buzzer and light will glow. Now I need to remove that harness, because unless and until I remove that harness, next harness will not be taken for testing. So firstly I will remove that harness. So base screen will reset. Then again I will connect my harness to it, right. So tester in is pass mode, auto mode. So we need to put that. Now I have removed one of the cables from tester. So now it is showing open pointer, because connections are not met. Once I enter or once I connect those connections, the harness will be passed first. Intentionally I have shorted 2 points on the tester. So now you can see, let me check what happened. Now we can see the short points menu. As per your requirement, we can see the short point menu. The point number 3 is covered, right. So I guess board checking points. One more point is pending, is board checking point. For board checking point, we need to connect this board checking cable over here. Firstly I will remove these harnesses connected to the tester, and I will come to the main menu on display, and I will go into the diagnostic menu. So diagnostic menu will have a checkboard option. We need to go on checkboard, and I will take this pin and I will insert or I will connect it to any point on my tester IO card. So if I go and insert this pin or connect this pin to any number or any point, it will show checkboard. Suppose you have a dashboard and you have connected your tester to that dashboard, you will have to have connect this pin to your fixture pins. So you can very well know, or we can very well check the board as per your requirement. What is pending, as you mentioned, sound alarm for both pass and fail. As per our recordings, you can see the alarm buzzer is available for pass. We do not have any alarm buzzer for fail count, because if we have those two menus together, operator may get confused whether I have pass harness or fail harness. So we have given a facility of buzzer or alarm, sound alarm, only for a pass harness.